meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Well, there's our first squall line swinging through. We do have severe thunderstorm warning in effect for southeastern parts of Champaign County, north central Clark County, and southeastern Logan County, eastern Champaign County, I should say, southeastern Logan County, extreme northeast Clark County. This severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 6:45, and really the storm will be out of this region in about the next 10 to 15 minutes. But still, some winds up to 60 miles per hour will be possible. Could be some damaging winds and torrential rain as well. And back to the west, more rain coming up across the central portions of Indiana. There are the current severe thunderstorm warnings in our area. No tornado warnings at this time. And we do have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 11 o'clock for our region. Southeastern part of Indiana, tornado watch in effect until 9 o'clock this evening. A medium risk of severe weather, a gust to 60 miles per hour, most likely in a tornado. And that threat will be with us basically up through about 11 o'clock. So the chance of showers, thunderstorms this evening. And look at those temperatures. They'll recover pretty much low to mid 60s expected. And then tomorrow we cool off a little bit, but we get back to dry weather, partly, maybe even at times mostly sunny skies. And temperatures for highs tomorrow still in the 50s for Christmas Eve. Unseasonably mild for sure. And as far as we go, strong thunderstorms around the area this evening, along with those gusty winds, but we'll be looking for a mild Christmas Eve and also a dry Christmas Eve across the region. So good news if you're traveling tomorrow or heading out to those evening church services. The SVG Chevrolet camera, we're looking at calmer conditions compared to an hour ago. Same situation on the Bryant Heating and Cooling System camera with rain coming down and still some showers on the Stall Vision camera out through Beaver Creek as we look over toward the green. Now, live Doppler 2 HD showing the rain starting to taper off here, at least in the Dayton area. We've had the heavier rains move through, and there's that strong line of storms now out into the eastern part of our viewing area, mostly to the east of US 68, but we're still tracking some strong thunderstorms coming up into the southern part of Indiana. Look at all the lightning strikes there to the west of Louisville, and these storms are going to march right up in our direction for later on this evening, so we'll probably have round two of some stronger thunderstorms move through about another 2-3 hours down the road. Right now we're at 56, a southwest wind at 12 with a barometer falling rapidly, and looking at those temperatures, we've cooled off into the 50s in the areas that have seen some of the gustier winds come by, but we should see a recovery into the 60s again this evening. Future track forecast showing our cold front coming in from the west. There are those stronger thunderstorms again around 9-10 o'clock. Again, we could have some more severe thunderstorm warnings come out, and then that cold front sweeps on by, and behind the front we get back to the quiet weather for Christmas Eve, and it looks like even Christmas Day fairly quiet, although there will be a chance of some rain later in the day on Friday. Here's your forecast tonight. Thunderstorms around the area, windy. That'll be mainly early tonight past midnight. Showers will come to an end. Wind south 15 to 25 will turn to the west and diminish later tonight. Partly sunny, mild tomorrow, although at times mostly sunny too. Southwest wind 5 to 15 miles per hour. You can see those temperatures up into the 50s, well above normal for Christmas Eve. Your Storm Team 2 7-day forecast looks like 52 for the high on Friday. There will be the chance of some showers in the afternoon, with rain becoming more likely into Saturday and Sunday. Look at those temperatures there. 62 could be another record on Saturday. We did set a record high today. Really didn't have time to talk about that with all the severe weather. And then falling temperatures on Sunday. It does start to cool off a little bit next week.
What a night.
It's been pretty active weather today.
And important to note, like what you're saying, is there's more coming up.
Right, that was round one, so now you get a bite to eat and then get ready to pay attention to what's going on again later this evening.
Yeah, and it sounds like northwest Mississippi might have got hit with some significant tornado action.
The biggest threat of tornadoes has been southwest of us. So even though we did have that little spin-up, perhaps a spin-up tornado, the big ones have been down to the southwest of us into the Mississippi River Valley.
We know you're on it for us, Brian Davis.